Hi guys, Ashish this side. In this video, I'll show you how you can add Power Query data into data model and delete the data from Power Query. Let's open up the Excel file. To add this data into Power Model, we need to import this data into Power Query. I'll go to the Data tab, click on From Table and Range. We need to go to the option of a Close and Load. Then we need to click on Close and Load to. Once you click on Close and Load to, it will show you the data. Only create connection. You need to check this option, add this data to data model. Let's add this. It will take some time to add data into data model. Let's quickly do for another month and then we will go to the Power Pivot. I'll go to the Feb, click on From Table and change to import the data into Power Query. I'll go to Close and Load, select the Close and Load to, only create connection, then add this data to data model. I'll select OK. So my two tables has been added to data model. There are two ways to access it. Either I can go to the Power Pivot and then click on Manage, or I can go to the Data tab. We need to click on this option. So we added two tables, table 1 and table 2. And if I want to create a diagram view, these are my two tables. This is similar to the relationship table in Power BI desktop version. If we want to delete this table from a data model, we need to select the table, right click on that, click on delete. Prompt will ask you, do you want to permanently delete this table? Even if you click it, you will not be able to directly delete the Power Pivot data. I'll select delete from model, and this says the table was created from a query. To change this table, change the query. I click OK. Power Pivot is also open in a separate window just like a Power Query. To delete this table from a data model, we need to go back to Power Query. I close that. So this is our first table that we loaded into data. So we need to right click on that. Then we need to select the option of a load to. Here we need to untick this model. Once I untick this and click OK, it will give me a prompt that this will be a data loss from a Power Pivot. So I'll click OK. If I go to Power Pivot now, click on Manage. Now we'll see only one table. The first one we have deleted it. Let's quickly delete this one as well. So I go to the table 2 tab, right click on that, click on load to, untick this option, click OK. Then again it will give you a prompt to delete that there will be a data loss. You need to click OK. And we have successfully deleted all the data from our data model. Now if we go to Power Pivot, click on Manage, there is no data. That's it for the video. That's how you can add Power Query data into data model and delete the data from Power Query.